Now we are discussing about money making opportunities. In that today we are discussing about another thing is build an e-commerce website. Selling products online is one of the best ways to make money. More brick and mortar stores are turning to e-commerce due to its advantages. Besides having a broker market reach, e-commerce stores require lower startup costs. You will be able to save money on operational expenses since you won't need different retail locations. Before launching an e-commerce business, decide on the store's niche. If you are unsure, researching trending products can help narrow down with which products to sell. Thanks to the popularity of e-commerce platforms, creating an online store has never been easier. Picking the right platform is crucial because it will affect you and your customers' overall experience. Here is a compilation of the 4 best e-commerce platforms for building your own online store. Gyro, a beginner-friendly website builder offering free themes and numerous AI-powered, artificial intelligence-powered tools to assist business operations. WooCommerce is also there, an open source commerce platform built for WordPress. WooCommerce provides all the necessary site functions to create your dream store. And PrestaShop is also there. This e-commerce software offers robust product management and analytics tools. And Shopify is also there. Another thing is Shopify, a popular option to create online business websites with built-in abundant cart recovery and SEO tools. And next is when formulating a business plan, consider factors such as inventory, warehousing, packaging, and shipping. Depending on your business model and operating locations, you may also need a business license. These may include registration certificates, local and federal permits, and a sales tax permit. These are most important. And one thing is e-commerce website development is nowadays very easy. So many ready-made tools are there to develop their own website to store. But even though my suggestion is, if you want to start in a small scale way, ready-made tool of e-commerce websites just like PrestaShop, Shopify, all these are enough. But if you want to develop for the time being in an extensive way, means it is better to engage a developer, not a developer. Engage developing one. You should contact a company for developing your website for e-commerce. Then they will develop everything. You should have a tie-up. Not only this idea. This month some ideas will come, some products will come. Next month another ideas will come and some another products will come. All these things we want one product developer and as well as package developer and project developer. All these should be there. You should agree with that. You should agree with that website development company. Then they will develop e-commerce very good website. And once if you are having very good tie-up with them, they will develop always every month and they will charge, and billing also will be done according to your new programs and enhancements only they will charge. Likewise, you can increase your business very well. Suppose if you want to start e-commerce in a biggest way, otherwise in a small way for your restricted products, that means only candles making and pots making and home needs making, all these means then you can depend on PrestaShop or Shopify or WooCommerce. Websites will give ready-made skeletons. Then you can develop your way in a good way. Wishing you all the best. This is a very good e-commerce website development is very good for local makers also nowadays. Wishing you all the best.